Hi, I'm Sibo. This is my exam for Computer Science 2019-2020. So on the left in the game lab, you can see my game. Now this is a two-player game where you control the cow with arrow keys and you control pig with WASD. Now looking in my code here, you can see that the cow, the pig, the burger, the corgi, and the chicken have all been declared and their scales have been appropriately made. Now, the objective of this game is that the cow is trying to get the burger, and the cow, whenever it touches the burger, gets a point, so the score in the top left goes up. And when the cow exceeds 5 points, so let's just get 5. Once it exceeds 5 points, like right now, the background will change. And once it exceeds 10 points, like right now, the background changes again. Now looking into the code in my draw loop, I have each if statement for my key down, up, down, left, and right for my arrow keys. And then below that I have the if burger is touching the cow, the burger will spawn to a random new location and the score will go up by 1. And then below that, the score is greater than 5, the second background, which is the blue background, that function will be called, which will make the background blue. And then below that, we have the WASD if statements to control the pig. And below that, we have the if the pig is touching the cow, the pig can move the cow, like right here, can move the cow. And then below that, we have if the score is greater than 10, the third background, or the third function for that background will be called. And then finally, below that, we have the text and the text size for our scoreboard, and the scoreboard's location, and then our draw sprites. And then below that, we have the functions for our second and third background being blue and green. Thank you.